Ko po si Mark Lester Lirag at ito po ang aking daily devotion. Kailan ng 1,000, isang libong taong paghahari ni Kristo na tinalakay po ni Pastor Russell Ocampo sa 365 daily devotion. Ang concept or topic ngayong araw is tungkol sa premillennialism. At ang Bible verse po ng araw ay galing sa Revelations chapter 20 verse 1 to 10. Ang sabi po ay, "And I saw an angel coming down out of heaven, having the key to the abyss, and holding his hand a great chain. He seized the dragon, the ancient serpent, who is the devil or Satan, and bound him for 1,000 years. He threw him into the abyss and locked and sealed it over him to keep him from deceiving the nations anymore until the 1,000 years were ended. After that, he must be set free for a short time. I saw thrones on which are seated those who had been given authority to judge, and I saw the souls of those who had been beheaded because of their testimony about Jesus and because of the word of God. They had not worshipped the beast or its image and had not received its mark on their foreheads or their hands. They came to life and reigned with Christ 1,000 years. The rest of the dead did not come to life until the 1,000 years were ended. This is the first resurrection. Blessed and holy are those who share in the first resurrection. The second death has no power over them, but they will be priests of God and of Christ, and will reign with him for 1,000 years. When the 1,000 years are over, Satan will be released from his prison and will go out to deceive the nations in the four corners of the earth, Gog and Magog, and to gather them for battle. In number they are like the sand on the seashore. They march across the breadth of the earth and surrounded the camp of God's people, the city he loves. But fire came down from heaven and devoured them. And the devil who deceived them was thrown into the lake of burning sulfur, where the beast and the false prophet had been thrown. They will be tormented day and night forever and ever." Um, ang Premillennialism ay ito yung isang paniniwala na si Kristo ay babalik bago ang tinatawag na milenyum. 1,000 taong panahon ng kapayapaan, katwiran at literal na paghahari ni Kristo sa mundo. Ayon sa pananaw na ito, ang pagbabalik ni Jesus ay magiging makikita at bodily o physical, at ito ang magsisimula ng bagong panahon ng muling pagbangon at pagpapanibago ng buong sanglilikha. Ang first teaching is Kingdom. King Jesus transforms the world. Hindi lang ito pagbabago sa panlabas, kundi total transformation. Ang dating puno ng kasamaan ay magiging tahanan ng kapayapaan at katwiran. Ipapakita ni Kristo ang totoong kaharian ng Diyos, hindi sa langit lang kundi dito rin sa lupa. Ang second is return. Jesus will come back in visible glory. Hindi ito patago. Hindi siya babalik bilang isang baby sa sabsaban, kundi bilang isang hari ng mga hari. Makikita siya ng lahat at bawat tuhod ay luluhod at bawat dila ay magpapahayag na siya ang Panginoon. At ang last teaching is New Earth. The world will be fully restored. Lahat ng sakit, kasalanan at kasamaan ay mawawala. Bagong langit at bagong lupa. Isang mundo na puno ng pasensya ng Diyos, kung saan wala ng luha o kirot. Isang mundo na tunay na tahanan natin kasama ang ating tagapagligtas. Yun lamang po.